Dashidelic rabbit signs, what are you attracting for the May month? So let's check your energy for the starting of the May month. Okay, starting of the May month, you are looking very positive, happy around your family members. You are surrounded by loving and kind people, and you are celebrating about something around the starting of the month with your loved ones. Okay, and financial, lots and lots of financials are involved in this gathering, or you're receiving some opportunity, or you're receiving a proposal about career path to make financial life very good. Like, you're going to make a lots of financial freedom in the future, so you're going to get some, you are going to receive a proposal, very positive one. Mostly this is about your career, but for some this might be for your relationship. Okay, you are going to get proposed by someone you have known through your relatives. Okay, and mid of the month, okay, some changes, I see some changes around the mid of the month. That sudden change, sudden shifts in your like career or relationship. And after that, okay, or maybe this sudden change is about your mindset. Okay, now you are changing your mindset from something else to very hard working mindset. Okay, you're working very hard around the mid of the month, and because of that hard work, that improvement in that skill, you are going to make lots and lots of financial happy money is coming for you. Like, lots of financials are involved in your reading in this May month. I don't know why I think you are attracting a lots of financial in this month. Okay, happy money. Okay, and your around the end of the month, you are celebrating with your family members. Again, I think this month is all about your loved ones, spending a time with your family members, relatives, or loved ones, best friends, or your family. Okay, this can be your loved ones. You are spending a lot of time with them, enjoying with them, and you are also attracting a lot of financial in this month. Okay, finance in this month. Okay, like lots of prosperity. And finally, end of the month, you look very satisfied. You are emotionally very satisfied, and you are going to feel like whatever I have wanted, I achieved that in this month. You're going to feel like that. You have everything, the family's love and care, and also from the career, you're going to receive opportunity, or you're gaining a lot of financial because of that. Finally, you look very satisfied around the end of the month. Okay, so that's it. I hope this reading resonated. Claim this positive energy in the comment section, and share this video with your friends or family members.